Big data and real-world data is impacting innovation in a number of important ways. Probably the most important way is it provides a good source of data mining in terms of understanding where there's unmet clinical need and identifying opportunities where new products could really improve patient quality of care. The other key aspect is when we start thinking about sensors like blood glucose monitoring, the ability to get measures from patients on a daily basis allows us to develop new algorithms and predictive models based on higher volume and rate of information that can really impact the way in which patients are being treated. In terms of innovation, it's really the whole development and movement into analytics as part of devices and the predictive models coming out of that is a critical component. And then, as I mentioned, in terms of being able to identify areas where innovation could improve the quality of care is a critical component. So, for example, we're doing some data mining in terms of looking at various hospital surgical procedures and identifying the rates of surgical complications and outcomes in an effort to really identify where there's gaps in care and where new techniques and new approaches could reduce cost, decrease the length of stay, or improve the patient outcomes. Most of the big data we work with are really administrative claims and EMR information. In that, we're mining the information to identify patterns of care, understand where there are potential opportunities to improve the quality of care being delivered, and then refine it to identify what are the factors that are driving differences or variability in the outcomes associated with patients. The key issue right now with respect to big data is that people are looking at it as potential opportunities for improving care, but it's really largely unknown what impact it can eventually have.